Hello fellas, so today in this video you're going to learn how to clean the lens of the front camera. So today we are in this Toyota Aqua and we have an aftermarket Android system. It's a 9-inch LCD installed in this Toyota Aqua. So if you go to the applications, you have to go to auxiliary and you see that the front camera is a bit hazy. The image is not that crisp. So this is what you're going to learn in this video. Before we go any further, I would request you to please subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon. Thanks a lot. Let's move forward. So guys, what the problem seems to be is that the lens of this camera seems to be quite hazy to me, and that seems to be the problem. And if we can get that back to a shine finish, maybe we can get the camera back with good colors. So let's get started. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a new finish, this liquid paste and a piece of cloth to rub and buff this lens out. Let's see how it goes. Just keep it rubbing, because this is a polish that is supposed to do a polishing of the surface without too much necessity for rubbing, but let's see. Okay, if I take you to a close-up, so here you see that the lens does look less hazy than before. In fact, you can even see the CCD, this purple color CCD in there. So let's check the image inside. Okay guys, so we are back inside. Let's see. I've turned on the system. We go to, okay, it's directly going to the front image. Wow. Okay, I am quite astonished to see the image quality. It's really way better than what it was before. So guys, it seems like the thing has worked. So you just need a nice buffing polish that polishes the lens and you will get a lot better image than before. Thanks a lot, and if you like the video, please thumbs up, and more important is that you subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon. Bye bye.